How to install Android apps on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily install Android apps on iPhone. So first thing, just head over to your Safari browser or any of your browser and just search in for any IPA file that you want to download. So in this case I'm downloading an IPA file. So as you can see, Flappy Bird is an Android game. So to download it, I'll just click on this GitHub link over here and make sure you select the second option from over here, that is org.flappybird.ipa. So just tap on it and it should be successfully downloaded. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so I'll just open it on my download folder, and as you can see, it has been downloaded as an .ipa file. So now what you can do is just open the Flex Safari application once again. So once you're inside here, make sure you have successfully added the Flexi Store application on your home screen. So let me just show you once again. So once you're inside here, as you can see, just follow the on-screen instruction by clicking on the share button, and to add your Flexi Store as an application to the home screen, so just tap on this share button over here and scroll all the way down until you see the add to home screen button, and just tap on it. As you can see, now that you have successfully created Flexi Store application on your iPhone, just click on it, and in this section you need to verify yours with the certificate. You need to provide some certificate, then only you can actually download Android apps, be able to eligible to download Android apps. So you may fill out your file like this and provide any of the certificate just like this by following the on-screen instructions. So once you do all of that, now you can find that signer section at the bottom. So you just need to select the IPA files that you downloaded from your device. And that is it for today guys. Hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.